If your computer feels slow, freezes randomly, or takes forever to open apps, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can do that can make a huge difference. And the best part is, you don't need to install any extra software. So first, let's stop unnecessary apps from opening every time your computer starts up. Right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. If you only see a small window, tap More Details first. Now, go to the Startup Apps section. Here you'll see a list of apps that automatically launch when Windows starts. And honestly, a lot of them don't need to run in the background all the time. Look for apps you rarely use, right-click on them, and tap Disable. Try to keep important things enabled, like your antivirus or drivers. But apps like random launchers, music apps, or chat apps can usually be turned off safely. Already, your PC should start booting faster. Now let's clean out all the junk files, slowing things down behind the scenes. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box, type clean mgr, and press Enter. Select your main drive, which is usually the C drive. Then tap OK. Windows will scan for temporary files, cache, recycle bin junk, old update files, and other clutter your computer no longer needs. Check all the boxes, then tap Clean up System Files. After the scan finishes again, select the files you want to remove and tap OK. Then delete files. Depending on how long it's been since your last cleanup, this can free up a surprising amount of space. And speaking of space, if your storage is almost full, your computer will naturally become slower over time. Try to keep at least 15 to 20% of your storage free. Delete old videos, downloads, duplicate files, or uninstall apps you never use anymore. You can also go to Settings, then Apps, and remove programs you haven't opened in months. One more thing people forget is updates. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Check for updates and install anything available. A lot of updates actually improve performance, fix bugs, and update important drivers running your system. And after doing all of these steps, restart your computer once. That final restart helps Windows apply everything properly. So yeah, you don't always need a brand new computer. Sometimes your PC just needs a good cleanup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and fixes. And if your computer is still running slow after this, drop a comment below and I'll try to help you out. See you in the next one.